All right, we just got this Secura coffee grinder. We're going to test it and see how well it does the fine up to the coarse. So let's do that. I'm going to dump in some coffee here. Oh. Put in some coffee beans. Okay, so here we go. Well, it gives you a lot of different options. I've done a really coarse one there and then a little finer, but it's not fine by any means. This one will be a little bit finer yet. Oh, now we're going to just, I want to go straight to see how fine it'll do. A long way to go for that, so gives you an infinite amount of adjustability. I'm running low on coffee beans in there, but this is fine here, or extra fine. So it's very fine, but it's sticking right to the sides even. There it is. That's the real fine stuff right there. So that's great. Like, you can use this then for espressos or drip coffee makers. I think it's great. It's easy to work with. And if you pull this top off, unplug it of course. And if you look inside, it tells you, oh, leave that in there, it tells you lock and unlock. So if you give it a bit of a twist and pull, you can take it right out and give it a good clean. I'm going to just dump the beans right out of there that I haven't ground. And then it even comes with this little brush for getting right in there to give this a good cleaning. I think it's a great little thing. I'm going to enjoy a espresso first, and then I think I'll just have a regular coffee. I hope that helps. Have a great day.